Here's the Amazon Fire TV. This is the Omni QLED series. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is go ahead and put in your batteries into the remote and then plug in your TV and then press that power button to turn the TV on. As soon as it does, you should be right here where you can choose your language. And I'm going to go with English here. Now I'm getting an update right away. It's already connected to my Wi-Fi because when I bought it off Amazon, there's a check mark on the bottom by default if you have your passwords and so saved. When you buy the product, it'll automatically, as you can see right here, so it already knows who I am. Okay. Now if this wasn't me, I would have to change account and I have to go through the whole entire process. But it already knows me, has my Wi-Fi information. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue from here. It'll be a lot faster. Automatic contact recognition enhances your Fire TV. Just go ahead and read through that. That's really up to you. You can always ask me later, or you can decline, enable it later or whatnot. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and enable it. That's fine. And I can always disable it if I wish later on as well. Here's the voice commands when TV screen is off. I mean, most of you guys probably want this enabled. It's a pretty cool feature. You can do a lot of things when the screen is off. You can say, Alexa, turn the TV on, or Alexa, turn the TV off, and so on. Okay, so for myself, I'm going to enable that. And I could just restore Fire TV because I had it before. But for this one, I'm going to go ahead and skip this one, and I'm just going to go through the process with you guys. Hands-free Alexa. Note that this model here, the QLED Omni series, it has a mic that's right down there and you can turn it off or on the bottom of the TV. Okay, just FYI, you can see it right there as well, but it's right down there. I'll okay that. You can read through that. I'm going to click on got it. Try Apple TV Plus today. That's up to you. For me, no thanks. Protect your Fire TV with a 4-year protection plan. That's up to you. For me, no thanks. Play Fortnite and more on your Fire TV. That is cool, but for me, I'm going to go with no thanks. But in the future, I may go with that at $9.99 a month because I do play Fortnite. A world of kid-friendly content for your children. For me, no thanks. Choose your streaming services. Basically, that the apps that you want. You can do it now, or you can do it later, or whatnot. So for me, I mean, I'll just do get started. And we'll go ahead and get some of them that I have. Like I do have subscription with Disney Plus here. I have one at Hulu as well. I don't have any of those, none of those. And then I just go down to continue. But again, you want like Netflix and all that, you can download all that stuff later as well. Set up purchase and parental controls. That's up to you, but for me, I'm going to leave this one on here as always. So require a PIN so my friends can't come over here and start buying things. Okay, so I'm just good with the top one as always, and I'm going to continue, and I'm going to make a quick PIN here. Okay, my PIN is enabled. Welcome to Fire TV. You can go ahead and read through that and click on got it. Scan for TV channels. You can add TV channels to your Fire TV. Do you want to set it up now? I'm not going to really use that. So for myself, I'll go with no, but I can always scan for the TV channels later on as well. And voila, we are in business. And there you go. Looks like we're all set up here. Any questions or issues, just comment below.